Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line, specifically fractions. We are working with a problem related to TEKS 3.3e, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a pretty simple problem here. A mother's got four balloons, wants to share them among two children equally, but you notice that our answer needs to be represented in a fraction. To make sure we understand this, let's draw a number line. So I'm going to just draw a number line here, and I want to make sure I label it since I'm dealing with this fraction of a set here. All four of these balloons are going to represent a whole set of balloons, so I want to make sure that my number line is labeled from 0 to 1. Now, I kept saying 4. That's because we have 4 parts. And when we're dealing with a fraction, we have two numbers specifically that we are looking for. First, we're looking for our denominator. So that's the bottom number, and that's the number of parts, or the total parts. And so we want to go ahead and break up this number line into four equal parts. Now, rather than just starting from the left, when we have fourths, we can do something pretty nice to be able to get this to be as accurate as possible. So instead of starting from the left, what we want to do is we want to visually just try to find about halfway in the middle between those two. So we've now cut our number line in half. Now what we do is we cut each half in half. And 2 times 2 makes 4, so if I cut it in half and then cut the half in half, I've cut it in two parts and then two parts for each of the two parts. That gives me my four parts. Now we can label this, and if we wanted to turn this 0 into a fraction, we can actually say it's 0 fourths. And then we can say this very first point is 1/4. That's 2 fourths. That's 3 fourths. And that's 4 fourths, or 1 whole. Now, the reason I know that is because our denominator is 4, but our numerator, that's the top number. What that looks for is the number of pieces. And since we're dealing with a number line are going to use tick marks to represent the pieces. These tick marks are these little lines that I use to cut it in half and then cut each half in half. So this is the first tick mark. This is the second tick mark, the third tick mark, and the fourth tick mark is the one hole. And here are my pieces. There's one piece, two pieces, three pieces, four pieces. Now, we've got that. So we've got everything set up to where we're now actually ready to solve this problem. There are two children. All right, so there's a few different ways that we can visualize that. We can literally just draw two kids, and we can just pass out one balloon each if we wanted to, right? Or we could say, well, there's four pieces, so each kid's going to get more than one. But what if you were to group these? Okay, so if you were to take these two right here, they have to be equal groups. If they're not equal groups, then they're not fractions. But you see how I've grouped, this is for that first kid, and this is for that second kid. And if they get the same amount, then that is an equal group, and that's going to work. So each kid is going to get two balloons, which we could have solved without drawing all this. But how do we represent that as a fraction? Well, what we want to do is we want to see what fraction of all balloons will each child. So I'm looking at one child. So this is going to be our first child. This is the little girl right here. You notice where it stops? It stops right here, which means that child is going to see it's right below that 2 fourths. That child is going to receive 2 fourths of the balloons. And then the other child goes from 2 fourths to 4 fourths. But as you can see, it goes 1, 2 fourths. That other child receives also 2 fourths. And when you add the 2 fourths and the 2 fourths, you are going to get all of the balloons, one whole set of balloons, 4 out of 4 balloons. So then our child is going to get 2 fourths of the balloons. And so our answer here is going to be B, 2 fourths.